Ever watched an ASMR video and felt those weird, tingling sensations? Turns out, there's a scientific explanation for why it happens, and it's not just you being weird. ASMR, or Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, is a phenomenon where certain sounds or visuals trigger a relaxing, tingly feeling. Scientists believe it's linked to a release of endorphins, your brain's natural feel-good chemicals. It's like your brain's way of giving you a mini massage, but without the actual massage. Some people even use ASMR to help with anxiety and insomnia. So, what's the weirdest ASMR trigger you've ever experienced? Share your favorites in the comments.